how long have you been investing?
Great question. I've been investing since 2014, starting with real estate and then expanding to the other areas that you mentioned. But I've been investing and looking, for other ways to make my money work for me, outside of a traditional 9 to 5 since 2014. It's been a while. Time flies when you're having fun.
Oh yeah, you say make your money work for you. I like to say make my money make babies. All right. I say if you could impregnate $100 bill, would you not?
You would. You would.
Most people
Definitely.
say all night long. Uh, is there nothing that you know now that you wish you knew when you first started?
There's probably a bunch of things I wish I knew back then. It's a lot of things I would do differently or tell myself if I could go back in time. Kind of the advice I kind of give to people is make sure you have a clear understanding how something works. How the thing, whatever vehicle that is, whether it be real estate, whether it be ATMs, whether it be passive income opportunities. When the guy coming to you about the MLM business, understand how that business makes money before you invest in anything, before that dollar leaves your pocket. So I think that's a summary of, of what I learned. Take the time, don't rush it, but understand how it makes money.
And having a clear understanding of how something works, that can be like a gray areas for some people because with all of the industries that you are involved in, I don't believe that you're somebody who waits for perfection. How can somebody have a clear understanding of how something works, but not allow that perfection to be the enemy of good to where they trying to get such a clear understanding that they never start?
Great question.